I don't know how much we belly down there. Right at Westgate, so when you come, you can check him out. What's the man name? Jellyman. Jellyman, alright, the Jellyman. I want that one cool, you know. Ice in there? What?
We can have one as well, Jellyman. We want to buy one of you too, you know.
Yeah. So you have video, you like that?
Yeah? The coconut, we have video still.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the wood?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to pull. Very cool.
Yeah, let's catch it with them chopping the coconut. It's a little chopping out there.
Original jerk man in our town center, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, have to drink up again. Salt and pepper? Salt and pepper? Everything goes well. Yes, man, everything goes well.
Look at that, guys. The jerk chicken. What is he chopping over here?
Chicken are real juicy. Yeah, man. Some people like it
juicy
dry.
Jerk chicken.
People like it dry, but you give them what they want it.
Yes, right.
Some dry, some juicy, and that's it.
Really? Yeah, let's cook this fish roll. Oh, around the side there?
Yeah.
Wow, so the pieces are good then?
For the money, go bigger.
Oh, yeah, okay, nice. Really, but you look at the time fish.
Oh, they look nice, man. Look sexy.
What's the member, man?
Set up his umbrella.
Eh?
Yeah, they were me last year.
Really?
Yeah, the late night, or Friday night, the July last year.
Right, so.
No, man, I mean, they have to pack up the stuff then.
Oh, when you pack up?
Yeah.
Wow.
One man chopping them around.
Wow.
Mirror.
I like it, so.
I like it, yeah. All that in the image, you know?
Not church that said that it would be a testimony.
Exactly.
No way.
It's what it is. It's what it is.
Yeah.
All right. No complaint.
Wiser.
Yeah, no complaint.
Yeah.
All right, so you got us rush for the market and
Yeah, man. It's a party on the side.
yeah, man, me too come back.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right.
I'm a big daughter. I'm a big daughter.
Bonnet Street, you know?
Oh, Bonnet Street, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Welcome to Bonnet Street, guys.
Brother party. Party and beef no, bread no.
to just walk through the market and once you walk through. So this is the market here. So welcome to Bonnet Market. And look at the pears. They got some pears and everything over this side, you know.
Who wants ginger? Yes, my brother. How much are you? 500. 500 up. That's it. Alright, I'm going to come back and get one here. Yeah,
man, I'm going to get one of these for dinner.
This is a school where I'm watching all the game.
That one over there is what? Same thing. Oh, same thing? Yeah. Oh, because it looks the one drier than... Oh, make a yam? Okay. 6 months, 8 months, 1 year left China. 1 year from okay. You have bag? You have shopping bag? What? I bet you am them. Okay. You know, I'm a countryman, you know? Yeah. $500. Wow, time hot.
Hot, man. Really hot. Yeah, look nice, man.
Long-term food. Yeah, you can't do.
Yeah, man.
Carrot at 250, 250 get carrot, carrot at 200.
Good. I got it. I didn't know what.
How you sell the cabbage, Mama? How much? 300. Alright, let me have come back. come with them fresh and pretty. Oh, just come with them? Just come with them. Oh, they're fresh and nice, eh? Okay. So one or two?
Callaloo.
Alright, give me one bump, yeah. So make it fun, nice fresh bump for the callaloo, yeah? Real Jamaican callaloo.
Yes, man, callaloo, guys. Jamaican callaloo.
Yeah, man.
Here in the market.
Alright, wrap up this video right here.
No man can take me before me and the education me get one school. The wrong things and me not stop the soul. No matter with the argument that we have this song. Man know things and me not stop.
Market got busy, man. It's a busy market, guys. The market is really busy.
And by the time it's done, the day was done, and the weekend was done. And it going. But I always ask a question, especially down at town, this one. Down at Darling Street, where all these people come from market. When I say if I block up the place, but if persons are parked on either side, Tivoli, Lizard Town, Darling Street, that's all, for the market there. If persons are parked right there with the yellow sign there.
Honey and I shot door, Jack.
Okay, market's a big, yeah?
It's a big market, man. Really, really big market.
She want be a naughty girl, yeah. She come from a naughty world, yeah. She no lame, she a hearty girl. She a big one with a man in a rocky world. She want to lock away, see a lot of hair. Want to play with a body, yeah.
You collect the revenue again for the material.
Okay then, guys, thank you so much. This is where I'm going to be wrapping up the market tour for today here in Bonnet. Yeah, so thank you so much. Don't forget to always like, share this video around, tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, guys. Signing out from Bonnet here in the lovely land of Montego Bay, Jamaica. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy everybody, guys, you know, it's really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think it must have discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.